All of you doggies, murder that guy. Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, that's not great. He also targets me. He won't be alive for much longer. All potted up too. He broke my boots. Alright, let's kill this guy. Oh, you're gonna try and kill my wolf. I was gonna use something there. Yeah, no, why would you come near me? Okay, re-gear. You better not destroy my gear, bro. Okay. Got my gear back. We got full netherite. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, that was a good one right there. Yeah, I still have a lot. No. What's that, guys? Okay. Got it. Okay. That was not good. I almost ran out of wolves. We're gonna go get this one. Oh, he's getting cooked. You're gonna stay sitting down. Kill him, guys. Yeah, Leo. Oh. Woohoo. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. What's up, guys? Here. Over here, just kill him. Yep, okay. Kill him. That's not cool. My chest plate break. Surprised he's not dead. Hi, Leo. Can't handle little doggies. Is that weak, Leo? Look. Why did the two cart masters have EO in their name? Theo and Leo. Leo, look at Theo. Oh.
Do you want to try?
Kill him! Kill him! Who wants to kill him, puppy?
Oh, your ability on me and see how much.
You're killing my dogs. You never kill a man's dogs, you hear? Have you heard about that? God, okay, one sec. Don't worry, guys. Hey, don't worry, guys. I have something special for Leo. Look. Guys, go fight Leo. No? Go back. I may or may not have just got killed. So about, what just happened. All my wolves just died. I lost 2 of my shulkers. And I didn't kill Leo. There's no way I just lost everything. Well, at least my chest plate didn't break. Right. 1 sec while I fix this. Okay, that will be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, adventures. One more adventure for the road.